Fourth problem, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 cm such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 9 cm and 3 cm. So this point D is dividing BC line segment, that is BD is 9 cm and DC is 3 cm respectively. We have to find the sides AB and AC. Now let us write what is given. Here we can draw this triangle like this also we can draw. Suppose this is a circle. So this circle is getting circumscribed. B, C. Next, this is the center O. This point is D. E, F. Here we have drawn a circle that is circumscribed by this triangle ABC, and the sides BC and AC and AB are touching the circle at DEF. So let us write given, let triangle ABC be the triangle let triangle ABC be the triangle circumscribing a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So they have already said about the radius, that is 3 centimeter, and center is O. Here the circle is touching the triangle, sides of the triangle at DEF. That is, circle touches the sides BC, AC and AB at D, E and F respectively. And it is also given that BD is 9 centimeter and DC is 3 centimeter. So it is given that BD is equals to 9 centimeter and CD is equals to 3 centimeter. 9 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So we don't know about AF. That will be X and AE is equals to X. Here we have to remember one point, that if we draw two tangents from an external point, then the two tangents will be equal. Suppose there is a circle. For this circle, if we are drawing a tangent from an external point, so these two tangents will be of equal length. So here BD and BF both are of equal length. So let us write BD is equals to BF is equals to 9 centimeter. Next, CD and CE, these are also of equal length. So CD is equals to CE is equals to 3 centimeter. Next, AF and AE. AF is equals to AE is equals to, as we don't know this, so let it be x centimeter. So let it say x centimeter. From where we have got this, we know this is an important point. So tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Next, now we can write the sides. So this will be our first side. If we add this 9 plus 3, that will be 12. So this is our first side. Next, here it is 3 and here it is 9 centimeter. So x plus 9 and x plus 3. And here 9 plus 3 is 12. So therefore sides of the triangle are, let the first side be A. So A is 12 centimeter, B is x plus 3 centimeter, and C is x plus 9 centimeter. So these are the sides. Next we will find out the semi perimeter. Semi perimeter, S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is the formula. S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. What is A, B, C? These are all sides. So let us write S is equals to, what is A? A is 12. So 12 plus B is x plus 3. So x plus 3 plus C is x plus 9. X plus 9 by 2. S is equals to 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. So 24 plus x, 2x by 2. Now let us take out 2 common. If we take out these 2, we will get x, and 2 12s are 24 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 1s are. So therefore S is equals to x plus 12. Here we are going to find out the area. For finding the area, we are having formula delta is equals to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. For finding that S minus A, let us substitute the value of S, that is x plus 12 minus A. A is 12. 12 minus 12, S minus A is equals to x. Next, S minus B. So what is S? S is x plus 12 minus B. B is x plus 3. So x plus 3. X plus 12 minus x minus 3. So x cancel. 12 minus 3 is 9. So S minus B is 9. Next, S minus C we have to find. S minus C. So S is x plus 12. X plus 12 minus C. C is x plus 9. So x plus 9. X plus 12 minus into plus minus x minus into plus minus 9. X cancel. 12 minus 9 is 3. So S minus C is 3. Next, area of the triangle. So area of the triangle. is equals to, we know the formula, that is under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So under root of, what is s? S is x plus 12, s minus a is x, s minus b is 9, s minus c is 3, under root of x into x, x square, x into 12, 12x, 3 nines are 27. So we can write 27 here or in front of this x square plus 12x. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC. So this is our first equation. Next, as we know, these are three triangles BOC and AOC and AOB. If we find out the area of these three triangles and then add these three triangles, the area of three triangles, if we add, then we will get the complete triangle ABC. So we can write here area of the triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of the triangle BOC. Next, area of the triangle AOC. If we find out these areas, we will get area of the triangle ABC. We know that area of the triangle means half into base into height. So here AOB, for AOB the base is AB, half base is AB, AB is x plus 3, x plus 9 and height is OF. We know the radius is 3 centimeter, it is already given. So we can write 3 centimeter and here it is also 3 centimeter. So the height is 3 centimeter plus half BOC. For BOC the base is 12 and the height is 3 centimeter. For AOC base is x plus 3 and the height is 3. If we take out, we can take out half common, otherwise we can take out 3 also. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 nines are 27. Otherwise we will write 3 common. X plus 9 plus 12 plus x plus 3. Half of, how many x are there? 2x. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Now take out 2 common. Half 3 into 2 into x plus 12. So 2 cancel. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 12, 3 12s are 36. So 3x plus 36 is the area of the triangle ABC. This is our second equation. Yes, from first and second equation we can see that this is also area of the triangle ABC and this is also area of the triangle ABC. That means both are equal. So let us write from 1 and 2. we can write root 27 into x square plus 12x is equals to 3x plus 36. To remove this square, we will do squaring on both sides. X square plus 12x whole square is equals to 3x plus 36 whole square. So square root cancel. 27 into x square, 27x square. 27 12s up. So 27 12s up. 2 7s are 14, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. So 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. So we will get 4, 5 plus 7 is 12, 1, 324. So 324x. Now this is in the form a plus b whole square. So a square is 9x square, b square, that is 36. 36 square of 36 is 1296. Otherwise you can do here 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 3 is 21, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 3 are 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 1 2 9 6. So 1 2 9 6 plus 2 3s are 6, 2ab. So 2 3s are 6, 6 into 36 is 216x. Now we will send this all to that side. So it will become 27x square plus 324x minus 9x square minus 216x minus 1296 is equals to 0. If we subtract 9 from 27, so we will get 18x square. Next, if we subtract 6 from 14, we get 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So 108x minus 1296 is equals to 0. Now we can cancel, we can take out 3 common. Otherwise we can take out 18 also. So let us do it with 3. So 3 6 are 3 6 are 18 x square. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 6 are 18. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 0 by 3 is 0. Next we will take out 6 as common. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 2s are 12 is equals to 0. 0 by 6 is 0. So we will get x square plus 6x minus 72 is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. X square plus 6x minus 72. To factorize, first multiply the first term with the last. We will get minus 72x square. So the middle term is 6x. Now we need two terms such that if we multiply that, we should get the 72. And if we add or subtract, we should get 6x. So that will be 12 6. 12 6 is 72. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here the sign for this is plus. That's why we have to write plus for the large number and minus for the smaller number. Now we have to write these two numbers in place of 6x. So x square plus 12x minus 6x minus 72 is equals to 0. Now x will be common. So x plus 12 minus 6 is common. X plus 12. 6 12s are 72 is equals to 0. Now x plus 12 is common. So x plus 12 and x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now compare it. with 0. So x plus 12 is equals to 0. X minus 6 is equals to 0. 12 goes to that side, so that it will become minus 12. Minus 6 goes to that side, it is plus 6. Therefore, we can write here we can't take minus. Why? Because the side cannot be negative. So, therefore, but x can't be negative. Hence, x is equals to 6 centimeter. We have to find AB. For AB, it is x plus 9. AB is equals to x plus 9. So, x is 6 plus 9 is 15 centimeter. Therefore, AC is equals to x plus 3. X is 6 plus 3, that is 9 centimeter. This is the long method, but if you know that the forming triangle is a right angle triangle, then there is an easy way to find out x. Let us see that. If you know that the given triangle is right angle triangle, then it will be very easy for you to find out the sides AB and AC. Now let us see here. It is already given that BD is 9 centimeter and DC is 3 centimeter and the radius is 3 centimeter. We don't know this part, that is, let it be E and F. AE is x and AF is x. We know that the tangents from an external point are equal, so that's why this is 9. If this is 9, then this will be 9. If this 3, DC is 3, then CE is also 3. Then we will get the sides like AB is equals to x plus 9. AC is equals to x plus 3 and BC is equals to 9 plus 3, that is 12 centimeter. So like this we have got the sides. After getting sides, as this is a right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, according to here it is 90 degrees. So hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse is AB. Opposite is AC and BD square. So what is AB? AB is x plus 9 whole square. AC is x plus 3 whole square. BD is 12 square. It is in the form a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 12 square is 144. Next we can cancel here x square and x square. 9 square is 81 plus 2 9s are 18. X is equals to 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6x plus 144. Now bring this all to this side. 18x minus 6x. If we add this 9 plus 144, 153. So plus 81 minus 153 is equals to 0. 18x minus 6x, that will be 12x. If we subtract this, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 15 minus 8 is 7, that is minus 72. Send it to that side. So 12x is equals to 72. 12 goes down, x is equals to 72 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are. So therefore x is equals to 6 centimeter. We have got directly x is equals to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find AB. So AB is x plus 9, x is 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9 is 15 centimeter. Next is AC. AC is equals to x plus 3. X is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 centimeter. AC is equals to 9 centimeter.